Hey guys, what's up? So I'm doing a get ready with me today. I'm getting ready to go to the 49ers game, so I ended up just jumping right in because I'm a little pressed for time, but I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow in a lighter shade in the center of my face, and then I'm going in where I normally contour with a darker shade, and I'm just gonna blend all of it in with my fingers for the most natural look. It is going to be during the daytime, and I just want my skin to look very natural and not too heavy on makeup. So I'm going to use this as my foundation. I'm rubbing it in my face like this because I do have stitches in my mouth and my face is really swollen. I'm sure you guys can tell. Like one side of my mouth I'm noticing also is like a little lower, but it's probably from the swelling. But yeah, I'm going in also with two different concealers because one has a little bit more of a neutral tone, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out. I'm just adding this on the high points and anywhere that I want to conceal. But another thing is that my makeup brushes were still wet, so this is going to be a bit of a challenge because I only have like 2 or 3 tools. So yeah, we're just going to try to get through this today, and I'm going to go ahead and blend this all out. So a lot of people tell me that my teeth look pretty straight, but I ended up having a baby tooth in the front of my bottom teeth. So when I talk, you guys will probably see it until I get my braces put in. But I had a baby tooth. Yes, at this age, I guess people have baby teeth still. I thought it was pretty rare, but the dentist told me that a lot of people have it. Like, it's pretty common. So I ended up having to remove it, and the adult tooth is right behind it. So now I'm gonna get braces put in to try to correct my smile. So right now I'm in my smile journey, I guess you can call it. So I was in a lot of pain because I had stitches and it was fairly fresh. I think I've only had the stitches in for like 3 days. And yeah, like I said, my face was really swollen, guys. So I was like in a ton of pain. But yeah, here I'm going in and just trying to contour my chin so that you don't see how swollen it is, and just kind of cover it up a little. But I'm using the bronzer by NARS and this MAC brush, and I'm just going in and just kind of lightly contouring so that I can make my face look slimmer and look better, and just kind of going in very light, like I said, because I don't want to have heavy face makeup since, like I said, it is going to be daytime and I want to have it look very natural. I'm also using this Laura Mercier powder under my under eyes with a powder puff. I want to try out the Patrick Star powder, the pink one. So if anyone's tried it, let me know how you like it and if I should get it. I'm going to go in with the NARS eyeshadow palette and take one of these darker neutral tones and just go in the crease with this. Guys, I was feeling so bad this day. Like, I was doing my makeup and getting ready for the game, and I literally just wanted to lay in bed. My dentist didn't want me doing anything like lifting or not even folding clothes. I was surprised that they let me go to the game. I kind of asked and they said as long as I go and sit down and I'm not too active, then it was fine. So I was struggling to put on makeup, but yeah, I just kept pushing through. So I ended up going in and filling in my brows with this Anastasia brow gel. This stuff is so good, but I do want to get a lighter shade because I feel like this one was a little dark. I just had a sample so that I can try it out, and I'm just going in here and brushing it out so it blends in. Oh yeah, and I ended up running out of my Benefit brow pencil that I use on the tail of my brows. I don't really grow much hair here, but I ended up using this e.l.f. one, and I don't really like it for the tail. I feel like it doesn't really fill the space in, so yeah, I only like to fill in my brows, like any sparse areas with it. But I just had to do with what I had, and I went in with a concealer and just cleaned up my brows a bit. going back in with the NARS eyeshadow palette. I took a darker shade and just kind of defined my crease a little. I rushed through this, guys. Like, I usually don't apply my makeup this fast. It was a little fast and sloppy, but I was really running out of time. My aunt was there watching my baby. She was gonna babysit him while we went to the game, and my boyfriend was kind of like, "Are you done?" in a nice way, but I felt pressured, so I just you could kind of see the door move and he came in, and I just felt like I had to rush so we weren't late because there were so many people and like traffic. So I ended up going in with this Stila glitter and putting it right in the center and like blending it out a little. This looks so pretty. I definitely felt like I was ready to go to the game after applying the Stila liquid glitter. These are so easy to apply and they just look so nice. Then I went in with the Jeffree Star palette and I took this bright red and I just kind of patted it, swept it on my under eyes just to make it look more intense. If you guys don't know, I'm going for the 49ers colors, which is red and gold. And yeah, I just wanted to feel festive, so I ended up going for this look. And then here I'm literally looking at myself and saying I still look cute, because I do, even though my face is all swollen. I went with the Rare Beauty liquid blush and put that on. My contour was not good because like I forgot to put the cream contour before because I was in a rush, so I just went back and touched up my bronzer and kind of blended it in, and I thought it looked pretty good. As you guys can see, I kept getting distracted and told to hurry up, so I was like, alright, I need to rush, get it going. So I put some highlighter on, and right here I was like in panic mode, even though you can't tell. I was like panic and pain, so I'm like, just hurry up and get this done. So yeah, I kept blending everything out and I think it looked really nice. I love the way the eyeshadow came out for only having one brush for my eyes, since all my brushes were wet and everything was like against me, time and all. But I didn't get to do my hair on camera because I was like, I have to go. So this is the final look. I ended up doing a wavy hair look and added some extensions. I had so much fun. The 49ers ended up winning the game and I just had a really good time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. I'll probably do like my everyday makeup routine next, but make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.